We've previously discussed the Amazon milk frog on this channel, but did you know there are multiple other frog species that produce an irritating milky fluid from their skin? The Amazon milk frog is also known as the blue milk frog and the Mission golden-eyed frog, and was once confused for the common milk frog.
The common milk frog is also known as the veined tree frog. Although milk frogs in general are assumed to be safe from predation due to their toxic secretion, which causes pain when exposed to the mucous membranes in other animals, such as those found in mammalian mouths, in a study published in late 2020, a common milk frog was observed being predated by a mantis.
Another tree frog that was once classified as the common milk frog, but has now been designated its own species status, is the Amazonian milk frog. It sounds really similar to the Amazon milk frog, but it isn't the same species. In Spanish, this frog's name is Rana lechera de Pastaza. Pastaza is a province in Ecuador, which is one of two countries where the frog lives. The other is Peru.
The Chocoan milk frog also lives in Ecuador, and may live in Peru as well. They live on the western slopes of the Andes Mountains, separate from the Amazonian milk frog. They get their common name from a group of languages that are spoken across Panama and Colombia, which suggests the frogs may also live in this region. However, this is inconclusive.
Before it was separated into its own species, the Chocoan milk frog was described as a Suriname golden-eyed milk frog. This milk frog species actually does occur in Colombia. It also lives in Bolivia, Brazil, Ecuador, and more.
The milk frog taxonomic confusion doesn't end there. There's another proposed species that has been separated from the common milk frog, but hasn't been properly assessed for reclassification. Commonly, it's known as the Milky tree frog, and its scientific name is placed in quotes to designate its placeholder status.
All the milk frog species have undergone such changes to their taxonomy because new evidence helps taxonomists understand their separation into species more thoroughly. While genetic data provide information, one of the leading reasons these frogs were separated is due to their different calls. Here are some examples.
Originally, 7 milk frogs were classified in their own genus, but new evidence points that it's more appropriate to classify them in the Trachycephalus genus. This means that there is no longer a genus specifically designated for frogs commonly known as milk frogs. Instead, frogs in this genus are commonly known as casque-headed frogs.
The word casque means a helmet or a structure resembling a helmet. These frogs have thick, sturdy heads, which give rise to this common name. Even their genus name alludes to this feature. Trachycephalus means rough head.
Amazon milk frogs have somewhat translucent skin, which is especially observable on their chin. Because of this, it's easy to see their blood and muscles are colored blue. This is due to high levels of a bile pigment called biliverdin present in their body.
Did you also know that milk frogs eat their own eggs and skin? Check out our full milk frog episode to learn even more. There's a card on screen you can click right now. Go ahead, click it. There's lots to learn. And thanks for watching Animal Fact Files.